This project is dual axis solar tracking. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. 4 LDRs connected to Arduino digital pin. Here these two motors controlled by L293D H-bridge IC, which is connected to Arduino digital pin respectively. Now power on this. Solar panel moves with the help of this motor and base moves with the help of base motor. Here 2 LDRs placed on east and west side and remaining 2 LDRs placed on north side and south side. If 4 LDRs in dark condition, then panel won't move. If 4 LDRs in light condition, then also panel won't move. If light falls on one side of panel and other side in dark condition, then panel rotates towards light side until the LDR getting lights.